Milady Memecoin will absolutely turn heads going into the next bull cycle. If you hold Milady Memecoin, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family, and watch until the end so you don't miss anything. So right now, ladies is sitting at that 3348 mark with the market cap of 22.58 million. $4 million in 24-hour trade volume, and the full supply of ladies is out, right? I see more and more content creators talking about ladies, guys, and that is very interesting. Recently, on the 7-day, ladies was making a move to the upside, right? You can see it was making a move up from this down, this retrace right here. It started to make a move up, but it hit that previous resistance level that I drew right here. That was the previous resistance, and it retraced back down, and now it has formed a floor at this level, and hopefully it goes up. Now that it has a higher floor, right, it goes up to retest and potentially break that resistance, right? So keep an eye out for that, Milady Memecoin fam. Again, for Memecoin, it's performing pretty good. See more content creators talking about it. I see more people in the crypto.com community talking about it. A lot of people that are invested in projects like Shiba and Mars are, turning heads to the project, and potentially they could be new investors that, become a part of the community, right? So it was very interesting to see that it was breaking out here. But it couldn't break this resistance at that 48 level, right? 048 level. So it retraced back down, and it was not a massive correction, because it's still above the 20 million market cap level. Now we just got to see what it does from here. We'll see if buyers step in, and the market starts to get a bit more bullish after September, because September is typically bearish. And then we could potentially see a move up to start climbing again for Milady Memecoin, right? From Crypto Line, ladies to the moon, send it. 16 thumbs up, 13 hearts for that. We got a few tweets from Main City Empire. Never forget, ladies, Milady's is destined for greatness. And this was on the 10th, May 10th, man. I gotta bookmark this tweet, man. I'm gonna bookmark this tweet right now, sitting at 36.4 million views on X, 254k likes, 30k retweets. Elon Musk tweeting the ladies meme, and what caused the huge price surge and the start of history being made, man. Again, my thought process remains the same with the growth and the popularity of the Milady NFTs. The community-driven meme coin, the community-run meme coin that is inspired by the NFTs, could see a very positive future ahead of it, right? The NFTs are a bit too expensive, and investors, retail, people that can't afford too much could be like, well, let me toss a bag at the meme coin, right? Maybe the meme coin, community run meme coin, does something, right? Again, it's the same thing as well with the Elon Musk tweet. History has been made with the Elon Musk tweet in May. There is no meme, I love you. And again, which this, just like Baby Doge, is a tweet that went down in history. That could mean a future of when the bull run is back and more retail gets into the space, man. It could be extremely positive for ladies. Let's take a look, man. Let me zoom in so you guys can see where we're at right now. As you guys can see on the screen, right, the total market cap of crypto is stagnant at 1.05 trillion. It ranges from 101 to 107. There is no new money in the space right now. There really isn't, right? There's no new money in the crypto space. So that's why projects like crypto is so boring right now. There's just a bunch of sideways action, retracing constantly. We need new money in the space, and eventually we're going to get to that point, but that's going into the bull market, right? The Bitcoin halving is less than 250 days away. The Bitcoin halving is getting closer and closer. And typically, when you get the Bitcoin halving, guys, that's the start. That's the full, that's when the bull run gets into full effect, right? In full effect. That's when you start to see new money gets into the space, right? The market cap of the total crypto market goes to 2 trillion, 3 trillion. And I'm telling you, I know how retail investors think. They're not gonna understand anything about VPNs, none of that. They just want to buy crypto and it's easy. How do I buy this? And it's very easy to do it, right? More than likely, they're gonna be buying Milady Memecoin on crypto.com, Dogecoin, Shiba, Pepe. They're gonna be buying the meme coins because the meme coins are the ones that, their thought process is, hey, I could become a multi-millionaire of $100 invested. And it could possibly happen, right? It could. Because this next bull market could be the biggest we've ever seen. But if you've been through the market long enough, you understand market cap, which I think all of you should learn how to understand. Always try to learn and understand how market cap works, right? When the bull run comes, a project like Ladies that is sitting at, let's zoom out now. It's sitting at $24.5 million in market cap, right? When it was at 20 million market cap, we could see even right now at 25 million going into the bull run, meme coins typically could get to $1 billion to 2 billion market cap, right? They could. That could potentially be 100x for Ladies going into the top of the bull market, right? And if it doesn't, you could potentially see a 10 to 50x, man. Can't rule out these possibilities. But again, remember, guys, it is a meme coin. High risk, high reward. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in meme coins, guys. If we go to YouTube, for example, Milady Memecoin, you see there's new content creators and constant updates from other content creators talking about the project as well, man. 11 hours ago, Ladies Memecoin, 22 hours ago, right? Shorts are being made a day ago, right? A day ago, right? Another day ago, right? This is what you like to see in projects, man. This is what you like 2 days ago. That's what you like to see. Crypto, to me, is all about community and awareness, and obviously utility as well. But when it comes to meme coins, right? Because, that's what Ladies is. It's about community and awareness. If you could get the community and awareness to constantly just continue to grow for the project, you could see huge upside for the project's price. Mexi volume alerts, Ladies up 31% in its volume, right? Again, it's very interesting to see for Ladies that it's maintaining around $4 million in volume. It's doing much more. It's doing more volume than a ton of other projects we see in the space, right? Which is very interesting. Again, can't rule that out. From Monitor, Ladies run it back turbo, and we can see from this chart. Make sure you guys can see that. Move up, retrace, and then continuously move to that 0.75 mark. Let me bring that on screen. Yeah, right here. Let me open the image in a new tab so we could zoom in fully. Right here. As you guys can see, from this target around the 3.5 range all the way up to the 0.7 range, right? And these are people that trade consistently. They use leverage trading. They're not just buying spot and holding. They leverage trade. So this chart is very interesting to see, man. That's what I was saying. We're still holding the support. We just got to break through this resistance. Then we could make moves up to the 0.607 mark for Ladies, right? And then just like that, if you're buying down here, you could take your initial out. You're right in your bag risk-free, right? You take your initial, you buy at 335, it goes to 07075. You could take out your initial investment because it's a meme coin and hold half of your bag in the project and then ride the rest of it risk-free going into the bull cycle, right? That way you can mitigate your risk and you don't have to worry if the project, you know, because it's a meme, does crash on you, right? So guys, keep an eye out for that. This chart is very interesting. Not much updates for ladies, but I'll keep you guys informed as much as I can. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, join, become a channel member, and join the live streams. I also do Milady Memecoin live streams, guys. Appreciate all the support. I'll catch you in the next one.